Well, we have made it to Tokyo Station. It took a little over an hour to get here. We had to stop and wait for a train that was coming in an alternate direction. But we are here, so let's go check out Tokyo Station. I haven't been here, but I've been to several other train stations throughout Japan. And what's cool is they always usually have a mall attached to them because they can't go up anymore. How? So they go down, and pretty much every train station has some sort of a mall. It's really cool. When you come to Tokyo Station, if you're trying to find tracks, you're going to come in. The green one is JR, and then the blue one is EX. So you just have to figure out which route you want to take and which kiosk you need to get your tickets from. And then they do have a McDonald's by the Yasu South Side exit. So it's off in the corner. So if you want some McDonald's, you got it there. Then they have a cafe as well. When you go outside, they got Louis, Prada to your left, and they got restaurants and things like that to your right. And then buses and taxis will be straight ahead. So from the Yasu South Side, the JR lines this way to the Tohoku, Joso, Hokuriku, and Shinkansen are this way. And then to your left will be the subways for the Marichi line, the Tozei line. Taxis are also that way, and passage to the Marunouchi side is this way as well. So at the Yasu Central side, you have JR Rail Ticket office right here that you can get to. Right across from that is a bunch of lockers. You do have a couple of lines this way, as well as a couple shops that you can get some snacks or drinks from as well. There are also ticket kiosks in the far right corner. From the Yasu north side, you'll have access to the Takedo, the Sanyo, the Shinkansen, the tracks, and then that way you can head over to the central and south side exits as well. You do have a Starbucks over here, and the JR line can pick up over here as well, depending on which track you need. So on the far side is Nahombushi side, and this is where the bus terminal is. So if you're waiting for a bus, it will come on the back side of the entrance to the terminal. It's right here, and your buses will be right here. You wait for it inside, and then you can hop on your bus.